Making passive income as a teenager is way easier than you may have expected. A lot of people tend to complicate this process, but in reality, it's really simple. We all know that passive income is income that requires little to no work to maintain, apart from getting the ball rolling. Even as a teenager, it's still possible to earn passive income with no expensive equipment, no college degree, and you don't need to come from a rich family. Thanks to the internet, generating passive income has never been easier, but there are many ways to utilize the internet, and it could be overwhelming. But in today's video, we're going to help you, and we're going to be going over 10 ways to earn passive income as a teen in 2021. Number 10. YouTube. Everyone seems to be hopping on the YouTube bandwagon, and for good reason. If you go viral on YouTube, there's a likely chance you could develop an insanely profitable career from that point onwards and start racking in the big bucks for your videos. Views from your videos are turned to cash through something called Google AdSense. There are even more options to earn cash through affiliate methods, which you can do once you reach a substantial following of subscribers. You guys can also sell merch and make your own membership for your fans. Number 9. Investing in the stock market. Investing might seem scary when you're young, but that shouldn't be the case with all. With more options out there being readily available to the younger crowd, investing as a teenager is entirely possible to start. Plus, it helps give you the experience needed when you start earning an actual paycheck and making much larger investments. Many people recommend trading platforms like Robinhood and Stockpile if you're interested in starting early with stocks. Stockpile even allows you to invest with a minimum deposit of $5. Total steal. Number 8. Online customer service. There are tons of companies that would hire teenagers to work from home through customer service. For example, the company U-Haul is always looking for staffers under the age of 18, and once you get started, your basic job requirements would be things like taking calls, monitoring customer experience through the process of truck storage and transport facilities. And this job can start from anywhere from $7 to $8 an hour, which is not bad for a teenager and could be good depending on where you live. Number 7. Social media manager. If you know of any small local businesses in your area, for example cafes, working spaces, pet shops, etc., or even an entrepreneur, reach out to them and see if they are in need of a tech-savvy account manager. Chances are they'll be pretty stoked to get someone on board to help with their social media, as social media can get very stressful at times, especially with teenagers being very familiar with technology and social media and everything Instagram. This should be a job that any teenager should be able to partake in. Number 6. Answer surveys. Perhaps one of the simplest ways of making money on this list is by finishing off short surveys online. You want to take extra care with this method, however. There are tons of scams that draw you with these high prospects and then underdeliver. You also want to offer the ones that are high paying and wouldn't spam you with low-cost forms each minute. One of the sites that has been tried, tested, will earn you a decent amount of money for each survey, and that website is Survey Junkie. If you want to start making money by taking surveys, you can get started right away by signing up on their site. Not sponsored. Number 5. Sell stock photos. If you think that no one can make money off of being a photographer anymore, think again. Only 20% of online visitors read the content on the website. The rest are skimmers, and around 65% of them are solely visual learners. Content marketers know this, which is why there is a demand for high-quality, relevant stock photos and visuals that are always going to be in demand no matter what the niche. If you're taking photos in your pastime, why not make some money and set up your own shop to sell those? Number 4. Start a blog. Blogging has become a very popular way of earning passive income and could definitely be utilized by teenagers. Although most successful bloggers are adults, the blogging scene has seen its fair share of successful teenage bloggers. With the right niche and excellent content, you can grow your audience, monetize your blog, and start earning passive income as a teenager. Number 3. Food delivery. As a teen, you can earn a decent passive income through food delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash. Depending on the number of deliveries you make, your customer's location, and other factors like tips, food delivery services can help you earn $500 a week or more. Most food delivery services hire 18 to 19-year-old teens, since you need to have your own vehicle, whether that be a car, motorcycle, or even bicycle, amongst other strict requirements. All you need is to identify the service in your area, sign up, ace a test, make deliveries, and make money. Customer service is also key to the success of your food delivery service as a side hustle, so you want to make sure that you're extra likable to the customers. Number 2. Freelancing. Now this requires you to be honest for yourself. If you know for a fact fact that your skills count for something, look into starting an online freelancing side hustle. Working this way allows you to work straight from home, out of your favorite cafe, or literally anywhere in the world with your Wi-Fi. We recommend platforms like Fiverr and Upwork for the number of clients you can reach. Number 1. Become an influencer. If you always like to get your opinions out and share experiences with the rest of the world, the influencer life is a calling. The absolute fastest way you can explore this side hustle is through Instagram, of course. All you need is a decent Instagram business page, strong social media management skills, and a fantastic niche to establish yourself in. Even micro-influencers can make anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 per year as a side hustle. Later on, this channel will focus more on how to become a successful influencer through YouTube and Instagram, so stay tuned for our future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe with post notifications turned on, and I'll see you all later.